Hi! Due to the way YouTube works, I want to make a quick announcement before this video. If you like this video, please consider hitting the like button or leaving a small comment. It really helps. If you feel like helping even more, you can check my Patreon or Ko-fi accounts. All the links are in the description box. Thank you! Greetings! In today's video, I'm sharing with you the opening of this box of lovely supplies sent to me by Malwina. She was curious to hear what would be my impressions of supplies that are easy to find in Poland, so she put together this awesome selection of fun supplies. The first thing I grabbed out of the box is a set of Talens gouache. Malwina tells me in her note that these are very available in Poland, but not that popular right now, so the selection is a bit slim. I've never seen a set of these paints in a store with my own eyes, only an odd tube of grey in one shop. This set of 8 tubes has a very nice selection of basic colors, and I'm eager to give them a try. The second item is a Jinhao fountain pen, made in a model similar to a Lamy fountain pen. I quite like using fountain pens, they really make for a nice line quality. The third item I took out is a box containing many things. There are 2 silver Sonnet Watercolors in full pans, and 16 half pans of Renaissance watercolors. I had never heard of the Renaissance paints before. Malwina did some research on them. They are very affordable paints and they claim to be a professional range. They are identical to paints from the Italian brand Zecchi, but sold at a much lower price. Apparently, the formula was made in Italy by 2 brothers who eventually split. One continued making the paints and the other built the Polish brand and sells these Renaissance paints. The Italian pans are about 8 times pricier than the Polish paints. This seems like a really nice range of colors and I'm super excited to try the paints. Also, I don't know if Malwina remembered me mentioning that I've yet to find a good silver paint, but I'm really happy she sent me these metallic colors. The box contained a smaller box, which contained pastels. If you remember the art supplies box trade I did with Kat from Meow Meow Kapow, you might remember me mentioning that there is no love lost between me and oil pastels. However, these seem to be more like chalk pastels and water-soluble. That is very intriguing. I love the colors Malwina sent me, so it will be interesting to test these. Or at the very least, funny to see me try. The next items I took out are 4 bottles of liquid watercolor, named Liquarelle, from Renaissance as well. The colors are yellow, magenta, cyan, and a nice vermilion color. I have tried the liquid watercolors from Dr. P.H. Martin, but these Liquarelle colors are far more transparent and bright. The 5th bottle I took out of the box is ink for the fountain pen. It's by Rohrer & Klinger, a brand I've heard of and really like. Their ink is not easy to find around here and somewhat expensive, so I'm really thankful Malwina sent me a bottle. The other 2 little jars are also gouache. They are by Royal Talents as well, but in a jar rather than in a tube. I'm very curious about these and they will be very interesting to use with the set of gouache. Or on their own, we'll see. The last item in the box will not be used for art, but it will be eaten with a lot of joy. Malwina included this big box of polished chocolates with a nice peanut filling. These are really delicious. I wanted to share this unboxing with you to give you a sneak peek into reviews and videos to come. I'll be trying and using these lovely supplies and share what I learn, so more thoughts and information on these is on the way. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.